Hello viewers, welcome to another brand new video of our English classroom, and here I am Pramod and I'd like to welcome all of you to my another new video. And in this channel, if you are new, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates. Well, in this channel you will get several videos on grammatical topics along with vocabulary related videos, also some presentation skill developing videos. So today's video is about a very important topic, and that is determiner. Well, if you are a student of high school, or if you are sitting for any competitive exam like job exam, admission test, then this topic will definitely help you to solve some sort of questions, because identifying parts of speech, identifying gerund participle, these things are very common in such exams like job exam and exams like admission test. So a proper knowledge of determiner will definitely help you to recognize a noun or gerund or any other parts of speech. So let's get started with determiner. So what is the determiner? The word determiner is the word determiner indicates something that determines. So any word that can determine can be a determiner in a very easy sense. But there are some fixed grammatical topics which will act like determiners. Okay? So let's get started. The word that contributes to create a noun phrase. Determiners. If you want to define this thing in a single line, just keep that in your mind that whenever you want to make a noun phrase by using a single noun, there you need determiners to make your purpose of noun phrase. And the most common types of determiners are articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, and numerals. So these five are the most common determiners that we often use in our writing purpose. Well, another information is a determiner is followed by a noun and a gerund. Well, gerund is a type of a noun. Actually, it acts like a noun, so it's also called a verbal noun. So, in a single word, we can say that a determiner is followed by a noun. That's it. So let's get started with the types of determiners. Well, articles. All the articles, a and the, these are actually determiners. Okay? And articles always comes before a noun. So they are determiners. Example, the boy stood first in the exam. So here we got two determiners. First one in front of the word boy, and the second one is before the word exam. Both of them are determiners because they are followed by nouns. Number two is demonstrative adjectives. Well, some words like these, that, these, those, these words can be pronouns or they can be demonstrative adjectives. So whenever they are demonstrative adjectives or they are followed by a noun, that is why they are called a determiner. Okay? So just remember one thing, that if demonstrative adjectives or words like this, that, those, these are followed by nouns, then they are determiners. Okay? So this house was built 5 years ago. those people are always obedient to their king. So here, both the words, these, those, they are followed by two nouns, so they can be called determiners. Number 3 is possessives. So we got some possessives like my, our, your, his, her, their, its. So these words are basically sets in front of a noun, or more specifically we can say that they are followed by a noun, and that is the reason possessives are determiners. Okay. Number 4, quantifiers. So there are some words that indicates the quantity of a noun. So these words are determiner because after the quantifiers you need a noun to express the meaning properly. Okay, so quantifiers are also determiners like many, much, some, few, lot, less, more, little, etc., etc. Example: many students have submitted assignment. A little learning is dangerous. So here the word learning, as I have mentioned earlier, that a determiner often sits in front of a gerund. So this is the example, like learning, this word came after the word little, so learning is a gerund. And I will create a video where I will show you the difference between the participle and a gerund, and this is one of the tool to recognize whether your ing verb is a gerund or whether your ing verb is a participle. Okay, most of the students often get confused whether it's a gerund or a participle. Okay, they look quite similar and sometimes the meaning is quite identical. So this is a tool. If the ing verb came after a determiner, it can be an article, it can be demonstratives, it can be possessives, it can be quantifiers, or it can be numerals. That's simply a gerund. Or if your ing verb is not after a determiner, then that's not a gerund. Okay. Well, look. Number 5, numerals. So we got so many words that indicates numbers like 2, 300, 1,000. So these are numerals and they are also determiners. Like two friends were walking along the road. So here the word 2 is a determiner. So hope this video will help you a lot for your exams. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.